So hello guys, it's me once again, Michael Bernardes of Page Property by DMCA Homes. So kamusta kayo guys? I hope you're well and good. So right now, we're here at the Sonora Garden Residences in Las Piñas City. So makikita naman natin dito guys, we're here at the 2-bedroom inner unit na nagko-consist ng 56 square meters, and these are the numbers that are available. And guys, once you have entered the room, this is the turnover finish na meron tayo. So, naka-floor tiles na siya, naka-paint na, and meron na rin cabinets. So, what are the cabinets that are included here? So, we have the kitchen cabinets that you will see there. So, it's a soft close system na. And also the granite countertop finish with the kitchen sink. So, ito nga guys, meron tayong bar counter dito na naka-granite countertop finish na siya. And on this side, this will be our dining and living area. So, pwede natin lagay dito ang ating entertainment system and yung ating couch. And also guys, we have the provision for the washing machine area. So, yung washing machine area natin nandito, or you could do a storage, lalo na kung din nyo naman siya gagamitin as laundry. And this is the bathroom. So, we have the lavatory with the granite countertop finish and the toilet and bath. So, you will see here, it's brand new kasi naka-cover pa siya. And we have the shower set here. So, it's a rain shower. Na nakikita naman natin dyan. And may bar soap na siya or yung lalagyan ng mga shampoo. And here guys, ang papakita ko na sa inyo yung dalawang bedroom na meron tayo dito. So, this is the bedroom 2. And ayan, dito natin lalagay yung bed natin. Tapos nandito yung provision natin for the aircon, which is the window type. And ito guys, ito naman yung ating master's bedroom or the bedroom 1. So, nandito ang ating bed or saan yung gustong i-place yung bed natin. Then, nandito yung mga cabinets or yung mga vanity fair natin. Yan. So, this is the sample and this is the actual 2-bedroom unit here at the Sonora Garden Place. So, ito guys, nandito tayo sa balcony. So, ang ganda ng view dito sa balcony na to. So, this balcony is consisting of 8 square meters. So, makikita naman natin dito ang ating amenity area. So, this unit is facing amenity area. So, makikita natin tatlong pool. So, we have the kiddie pool, leisure pool, and lap pool. So, ngayon guys, i-discuss ko rin sa inyo kasi dito, marami pa tayong promotions na ongoing here in Sonora Garden Residences. And guys, if you have any questions about this unit, marami pa tayong available here. And please do so, and please feel free to contact me at this contact details. So it's my Page Property by DMCA Homes. So I hope you like the tour of this unit kasi medyo mahigpit pa rin ngayon dahil hindi pa ina-allow na makapasok dito basta-basta. So guys, once again, maraming salamat and have a great day ahead.